The Artisan from KitchenAid is the best stand mixer of all time. Here's why. The basic design of the machine has stayed the same for decades. This particular unit is already 6 years old, but it still looks like new. It's an extremely durable and high quality product. The motor and the mechanism in the KitchenAid Artisan is extremely powerful, and you can adjust it with the slide here on the side. You can use it to cook or bake basically anything. One key to this is all the attachments that are available, and there's 3 that come in the standard package. The first one is this whisk attachment. You can use it to beat egg whites or make whipped cream in a matter of seconds. The second attachment is this dough hook. You can use it for any kind of baking, whether that's cinnamon buns or baking bread or making a pie crust. The third attachment is this flat beater, and this works great for mixing cake batter or for making mashed potatoes. The bowl that comes with the KitchenAid Artisan is very big, which means that you can basically prepare all your ingredients in this one bowl. Because the motor is so powerful, cooking with the KitchenAid Artisan will be very fast and you will save yourself a lot of time. But with great power also comes great responsibility. And one problem that other stand mixers have, that because they're so powerful, they will also kind of move around on the table. This is not going to happen with the KitchenAid Artisan. The device is very heavy and it's very sturdy. It will stay in one place even when you run it at full power. One great benefit of the KitchenAid Artisan compared to a hand mixer is that you will let the device do all the work. When you're using a hand mixer, you obviously have to hold it in one hand and prepare your food with the other one. With the KitchenAid Artisan, all of the labor will be done by the device and not by you. When you bring the Artisan into your home, it will get noticed. It is a beautifully designed piece of hardware which you will want to display on your kitchen counter. It also comes in a wide selection of amazing colors. This one here is passion red. You can already do so many things with the base model of the KitchenAid Artisan, but you can also significantly expand it with various accessories. For example, you can get yourself this pasta making set, an ice cream maker attachment, or a meat grinder. The KitchenAid Artisan has stood the test of time. This is an excellent stand mixer. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below the video. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my review of one of the best attachments for the KitchenAid Artisan, this pasta maker set. Thank you for watching 2-minute reviews.